To set up contactless payments in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the connected devices right here, go to connection preferences and select NFC. From here, all you have to do is activate NFC. You can then go to contactless payments and choose the app with which you want to pay. So here I have selected Google Wallet. If you have other apps like Revolt, you'll be able to select it here as well. And next thing is to go back. You can enable option which will require you to unlock your phone before the payment is actually proceeded. So you can enable that if you like. Now let's move to the Google Wallet as our app choice for payments. So it should be around here somewhere. So let me try to find it. If we enter it, we can view our wallet. Allow any permissions, click on this plus button and select payment card. That way you'll be able to fill in information about your card, and when your card information is added, either manually or by scanning it with your camera, you'll be able to pay with it using NFC by closing your phone on the terminals. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.